Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore, sipping your morning coffee with a view of lush green mountains, or strolling through charming streets filled with friendly locals. Costa Rica is more than just a destination, it's a dream come true for those seeking a peaceful and adventurous life. Whether you're drawn to the city, the beach, or the mountains, this tropical paradise has something for everyone. Let's explore the most stunning places to live in Costa Rica. Herb House with Garden Waterwave, the number 1. San Jose. If you love the energy of a vibrant city, San Jose is the place for you. The capital of Costa Rica blends modern convenience with cultural charm. Here, you'll find world-class healthcare, top-rated restaurants, bustling markets, and a rich arts scene. White heavy checkmark thriving city life with entertainment and shopping. White heavy checkmark excellent hospitals and international schools. White heavy checkmark a perfect base for traveling around Costa Rica. Best for expats, professionals, and those who want an urban lifestyle with easy access to nature. The number 2. Escazú. Just a short drive from San Jose, Escazú is an upscale paradise known for its luxurious homes, fine dining, and international shopping centers. If you love the finer things in life, this is where you belong. White heavy checkmark safe, modern, and full of expats. White heavy checkmark high-end restaurants, malls, and medical care. White heavy checkmark gorgeous mountain views with a cool breeze. Best for retirees, families, and those looking for a sophisticated lifestyle. The number 3. Atenas. Did you know Atenas is known for having the best climate in the world? This peaceful town offers breathtaking mountain views, fresh air, and a friendly small-town feel. It's a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle. White heavy checkmark year-round spring-like weather, sun. White heavy checkmark low cost of living compared to the city. White heavy checkmark warm and welcoming expat community. Best for retirees, nature lovers, and those seeking a stress-free lifestyle. The number 4. Tamarindo. Picture yourself living steps away from golden beaches, surfing at sunrise, and enjoying fresh seafood under a starlit sky. Tamarindo, on Costa Rica's Pacific coast, offers a mix of adventure, relaxation, and lively nightlife. White heavy checkmark stunning beaches and world-class surfing waterwave. White heavy checkmark exciting nightlife, restaurants, and coffee shops. White heavy checkmark a thriving international community. Best for digital nomads, surfers, and those who love the beach life with a touch of excitement. The number 5. Portoviejo. If your heart beats to the rhythm of reggae, Portoviejo is your paradise. This Caribbean town is a blend of lush jungles, beautiful beaches, and a welcoming Afro-Caribbean culture. White heavy checkmark a relaxed, bohemian atmosphere, desert island. White heavy checkmark affordable cost of living. White heavy checkmark close-knit community with a love for nature and music. Best for free spirits, artists, and those seeking a slow, soulful life. The number 6. Grecia. Grecia is a quiet, picturesque town nestled in the mountains. It's known for its charming red metal church, lush coffee plantations, and friendly locals. If you dream of fresh mountain air and a slower pace of life, this is the place for you. White heavy checkmark affordable housing and cost of living. White heavy checkmark a mild climate with breathtaking views. White heavy checkmark close to San Jose, but far from the crowds. Best for retirees, families, and those who want a peaceful and affordable life. The number 7. Nosara, the ultimate wellness haven. Yoga at sunrise, organic markets, and an eco-friendly community. Nosara is a dream for health-conscious individuals. This small coastal town is known for its world-famous yoga retreats, stunning beaches, and commitment to sustainable living. White heavy checkmark peaceful, wellness-focused lifestyle woman in lotus position. White heavy checkmark gorgeous beaches with uncrowded surf spots. White heavy checkmark strong sense of community and safety. Best for yoga lovers, wellness seekers, and those who crave a mindful way of living. The number 8. Manuel Antonio, a tropical wonderland. Imagine waking up to the sounds of monkeys and toucans, then walking to a secluded beach surrounded by lush rainforest. Manuel Antonio, home to Costa Rica's most famous national park, is a breathtaking place to live. White heavy checkmark spectacular nature and wildlife monkey. White heavy checkmark beautiful beaches and hiking trails. White heavy checkmark a friendly expat community. Best for nature lovers, retirees, and those who want to be close to Costa Rica's incredible biodiversity. The number 9. Santa Teresa. If you love golden beaches, breathtaking sunsets, and a relaxed, bohemian atmosphere, Santa Teresa is calling your name. Located on the Nicoya Peninsula, this once hidden gem has become a favorite among surfers, digital nomads, and free-spirited travelers. White heavy checkmark some of the best surfing waves in the world. Water wave. White heavy checkmark a vibrant expat community of creatives and entrepreneurs. White heavy checkmark stunning nature, yoga retreats, and organic food options. Lightbulb insider tip: while Santa Teresa is beautiful, its unpaved roads can get dusty in the dry season and muddy in the rainy season. An off-road vehicle is a must. Best for surfers, digital nomads, and those seeking a bohemian lifestyle by the beach. The number 10. Ojokal, Costa Rica's best-kept secret. If you're searching for a peaceful, picturesque town surrounded by mountains, jungle, and pristine beaches, Ojokal is the perfect escape. Known as the foodie capital of Costa Rica, this small village is home to incredible restaurants serving gourmet cuisine from around the world. White heavy checkmark a quiet, close-knit community of expats and locals. White heavy checkmark easy access to stunning beaches like Playa Ventanas and Playa Tortuga Desert Island. White heavy checkmark a slower, stress-free lifestyle with beautiful mountain views. Lightbulb insider tip: Ojokal is perfect if you want to be surrounded by nature without being completely isolated. It's just 30 minutes from Dominical and Uvita, where you'll find more shops and amenities. Best for retirees, food lovers, and those looking for a peaceful, nature-filled retreat.